What are some examples of our exercises that we use in the home-based program? There's a wide variety. Some of them are to improve curve in the neck, so they might look like this kind of a thing. Some of them are going to work towards getting balance in the head. They might look like this. Some of them are going to be using a elastic band to de-twist against resistance. Some of them are going to be done on the floor, like a bird dog sort of a position. Some of them are yoga type postures that are going to be used to stretch and untwist the spine. So we're using a wide variety of exercises. A lot of them you may have seen before, but they're going to be applied in a unique way because, for example, the person's only going to do it on the right side, or they're only going to do it on the left side, or they're going to do it in a certain posture that they wouldn't normally do it in. Another key thing to think of is that we can modify the program to suit the person. So if this particular exercise, for example, let's say it's an older person, they say, I can't get down on the ground. I can't get on my knees. It's not going to work for me. So then we modify the program so that they can do the exercises. So we have a wide variety. I have about 60 different exercises to pull from, and we're going to develop a program based off of those, and typically maybe 10 or 11 exercises of that group. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.